Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fuse your fusible interfacing with fabric. Here is a list of things you will need. Press the piece of fabric you intend to stabilize to remove creases and folds. Spread your interfacing on your work surface. Place your fabric on the interfacing. Now cut out the interfacing round the fabric, remembering to leave at least ½ inch round the fabric on the interfacing. Find the right and wrong side of your fabric. Place the fabric on your work surface in a way that the wrong side is facing you. Find the side of your interfacing with the fusible adhesive and place the side with the fusible adhesive facing the fabric. To fuse the interfacing with fabric, place a heat-resistant fabric on top of the interfacing and press. You can also press directly without the heat-resistant fabric as a barrier, but it is safer to use the first method. Now trim away the excess interfacing around your fabric. If you would like to see videos like this, please leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video. Bye bye.